Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. Okay, so today we're going to be moulding this pouch, or this multi-tool pouch, which I got from the 6th box in the FoxBox Fox Company Prepping series. This is handcrafted in the UK. It is made with 3.5mm veg tan. It's cut by hand, dyed and stamped by Ron himself. And yeah, let's mould this baby. Now, following the instructions that came with it, we need to take our tool. I'm going to use the Grizzly Bushcraft Pocket Buddy knife, which is really nice. We did a video on this knife, you can check it out. I'll put a link in the description for you. And yeah, so we've got to put this in a plastic bag. We've got to put the pouch in hot water for 20 seconds, and that should soften up the leather. Pop this in a plastic pouch, and then leave it to dry, and it should mould to the knife. So let's see if we can sort it out. So I'm just going to put it in the bag, and then I'll see you in a second. Okay, so we have the knife in the bag. Hopefully it's not too big. Now we need to place the pouch in the hot water for 20 seconds. So we'll do that now. Ooh. Ow, it's hot. It's so hot. Okay, let that soften up. So yeah, while this is happening, I'll just talk about the FoxBox. So the FoxBox is a monthly subscription box from FoxCompanyPrepping. I love them. I missed the first one, but I've had the next 5 as of today, and I've loved every single one. I've done a few unboxing videos on them on our channel, so if you want to check them out, they're really cool. See what's inside them, and then see how good the products are for yourself. Right, has that been 20 seconds? I'm not sure. I've got to try and get out now. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it is softer. Oh wow. Well, that's cool. Okay, so let that get right in there. Ow. It's so hot. Okay, so got my knife, my pocket buddy from Grizzly Bushcraft. I'm going to chuck it in. Now, it should, if the bag's not too big, mould nicely to the knife as it dries out. Now it says here I need to leave it in a warm place or near a radiator, so I'll do that, and then once it's done I'll show you what it looks like. So see you later. Okay, we are back. It has mostly dried. There's probably a tiny bit of moisture left in it, but I was too excited to wait any longer, so I had to have a look how it went. So it's moulded itself to the shape really well, I think. So yeah, so I think we'll do a retention test. So very technical, hold it upside down and shake it. Yeah, I think that's pretty well. I reckon I could fall out of a tree and I wouldn't lose my pocket buddy. So we'll have a get it open and have a look inside. Okay, I don't know how well you can see that, but you can see it's held the shape really well. And you can put anything in here. You can probably put a small Gerber in here, perhaps a small torch, that sort of thing, or a knife if you've got one. And you've got the stamp on the front there. Yeah, really well, really held itself well. Here's the Pocket Buddy knife. So I did a review on this, so you can check that out if you want to. But yeah, this video is about this, and it's performed really well. So I put it back in. We'll have a quick look at the actual pouch itself now. So you can see you've got the All hand done stitching around the outside. Belt loop, really secure, and I say that retention's superb, that's not going anywhere. And yeah, the colour is really nice, and it smells lovely. I say all of Ron's work from the Fox workshop is amazing. That guy truly has a talent. So yeah, that is moulding the Hunter Series multi-tool belt pouch. Love it. Thanks for watching. Stay secure, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment on this video to see more awesome content. Because if not... oh god, did I burn it? I don't think so.